Today we're making beef and broccoli stir fry. For our beef and broccoli, we are going to need some cornstarch, some flank steak, some soy sauce, brown sugar, minced garlic, ginger, oil, broccoli florets, and a white onion. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get our flank steak and cut that into about 1-inch pieces. As you can see, the flank steak I got has already been sliced. And like I said, we're just going to cut this into about 1-inch pieces. Oh, come on. It really doesn't take very much time if you get it already sliced up. All right, just about there. So now that we've got this sliced up, we're going to move on and start getting our sauce ready. So be right back. All right, so now we're going to make our sauce for our beef and broccoli. I don't know about anybody else, but whenever I get this at a restaurant, I find that they never give you enough of the sauce that it comes in. So what I'm doing is I am doubling my recipe for the sauce. So this is 1 cup of soy sauce. Then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 4 teaspoons of ginger, 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're going to sit here and we're going to whisk this all together. I'm sorry, that's 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So we're going to whisk this together, and then we're going to set this to the side and let the flavors blend. And now we need to prep our beef. So back in just a second. So for our beef that we've already have sliced up, we're going to take 3 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Get all that out, and we're going to give that a mix. And then we are going to pour that over our beef and give that a good toss. Make sure our beef is completely covered with the cornstarch water blend. And there we go. So we're going to set this to the side for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to get started cooking. So we have a medium pan that's been heating up over medium heat with about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. So we're going to add our meat in here. And we're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes till it's almost completely cooked. And then we're going to pull it out and start with our sauce. Alright, so this has been going for about 3 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and pull our beef out of our pan and set that to the side. Come on. Alright, so we're going to set this to the side. Alright, so we're going to add our broccoli to the pan. And what I've done is I've used frozen broccoli. You can use fresh broccoli, and if you do, I definitely recommend blanching them to give them a little bit of a pre-cook. And then we're going to add some thinly sliced onions to the pan. And then we're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're going to add in our sauce and our beef back to the pan. So we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so this has been going for about 3 to 4 minutes. So we're going to add our beef back in. And we're going to give our sauce a stir to make sure to get everything off the bottom. And then we're going to add that in. And we're going to give this a good stir to make sure everything is coated. And then we're going to bring this up to a boil, which will be about, let's say a good couple of minutes. And then we're going to start plating up. So be back shortly. Alright, as you can see, everything's come up to a boil and the sauce is starting to thicken up. So let's go ahead and put a lid on this and remove it from the heat. And we're going to go ahead and start plating up. Alright, so we've got us some nice fresh rice that we've just cooked to go with our beef and broccoli. So we're going to get us a nice spoonful of rice. And we'll set that right there. And we're going to get us some of our beef and broccoli. Make sure to get a lot of that sauce. Need a few more pieces of broccoli. Alright, so now we are set up and ready for lunch. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. And until next time, enjoy.